Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, just like the title suggested, I wanted to do some makeup inspired by JAKE WEBBER'S tattoo. I guess I'll be back when it's time for me to do eyeshadow. So yeah, y'all have to ignore the hair that broke. You're gonna have to ignore it, and if you don't ignore it, then you're anti-me. Okay, so I guess I'll come back once my brows are done. If you want a brow tutorial, I have one on my channel. Okay. Okay guys, so I just finished the base part of my brows. Alright, like they could be better. So now I'm gonna take like a very light concealer color and I'm going to go like under my brow because I want to create a highlighted under brow area. Kind of highlight under here. I think I need a bit of a lighter color though. Then I'm blending it out with my finger. I'm going to add a little bit of white. Just going around the arch and then blending. I mean, in theory, this is really nice. It's really cute. I kind of like it. I'm gonna go with the white color. So let's see. I'm just gonna place a little bit on my hand. We're gonna pray for the best. I'm gonna take like the tiniest bit of this stuff on my brush. Okay, and I'm gonna go over here. I'm just doing the same old highlighting process, but with this white color. And then I'm gonna drag a little bit of the white color down to my eyelid. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out a bit. I am actually experiencing a little bit of a like problem. You'll see it like peeling up there. The reality of makeup. Okay, like this is what it actually looks like. People are lying to y'all. I truly believe that people are actually lying to everyone else about their skin texture and what their makeup actually looks like on their skin. And it's just a little sad sometimes to see that as someone who does makeup and sees that type of stuff up close, I can tell. It's gonna sound so crazy. I can like look at someone's makeup and like tell if they have a filter on it or tell if they've edited something, or because I do makeup, like that's what I do. Of course I'm gonna be able to tell the difference, I see it so normalized in our community, in the makeup community, to like edit your skin. I'm like, why are you doing all that? It's kind of sad. And I see those people that edit their skin. I'll see people ask them in their comment section, oh, it looks so smooth. How did you get it so smooth? How did you do this? How did you do that? And I'm like, they're lying to you. I saw this one person, I'm not gonna say their name because I don't want to start up any drama or anything, but there was this one person who took a photo on their digital camera, and of course people in the comments were asking, oh, how'd you do it? How's it like, your skin looks so smooth, how'd you do that? And the girl was like, oh, it's because I did all this prep and my skin looks smooth because on a digital camera and stuff. Like, I'm already smelling false information, okay? And so of course I go and check some of her other posts. There are videos of them doing their makeup, and the first thing I see is texture around the nose. And it's fine to have texture around your nose, like it's fine, but the problem is that they're lying about it. That's where the problem is. I'm just like, come on, there's no need to lie about your skin texture. I feel like if our community normalized it, people wouldn't have to lie and edit their photos. And I feel like it's bad because there's so many people who look at the makeup and they say, oh my god, it's so smooth, I'm gonna try it on myself. And then when they do their makeup and they see that it's actually textured and not baby skin smooth, they go like, oh my god, what did I do wrong? I must have not followed the tutorial correctly. I must have used some wrong stuff. I don't know, it's just I try my best not to edit any of my photos. I can say that none of my photos have been edited or anything. I think that's a flex, but it gets hard. It gets really hard around here just seeing people like lie. Okay, anyways, I went off on a tangent. I finished up the under eye for the most part. I have to wipe away some powder because I want to get started on the eyeshadow. So what we're gonna do is, I'll see y'all when I start to do that. Anyways, you guys, I kind of want to finalize what I was saying. It's not just about editing your photos, okay? You can edit your photos. Like, I don't care if you smooth out your skin. I don't care if you add a sparkle in your eye or something. However, I don't think you should edit the colors or the cleanliness or sharpness of your cut crease or whatever. I don't think, just keep that naturally how it is. But genuinely though, it's okay if you edit some of your photos. If you edit your photos like, okay, add a little sparkle, add your lashes in. It's okay to edit your photo like that, right? But if you edit it and you're telling people who are looking at your stuff and they're looking up to you, if you lied to them about you editing, you're just like a little bit of a booty. You're a bit of a booty, and I think that you shouldn't do that. Let's move on now. We finished up with the brows. Honestly, y'all, this is all looking one-toned. It doesn't even look like I put anything white there. Like, did it even do anything? I don't know. Okay. Any random fluffy brush, honestly. And we're just gonna spread this all over our eyelid. You guys see that highlight? Wow. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna add a bit like right up in here. I'm literally like taking it and just patting it in here and then kind of blending it out just a little bit, but mostly taking and patting. Just a little bit of blending. Okay, now we're gonna do it down here a bit. Pat and blend. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and then I'm gonna take a brown color and we're just gonna put it just like right here to kind of define white. Got a hat on there. So good at explaining. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow for the most part. I'm gonna do this other side off camera and I'm gonna do the base, my base makeup off camera. If you guys want to see my base makeup, like always, go visit my TikTok and you'll see my base tutorial over there. Go visit it right now if you want to see it. See y'all then. So all of my base is done except for, you know, blush, highlighter, lips, eyes, all that other stuff. So while I'm letting this stuff bake on my face, I think I'm gonna start on the actual eyeshadow part that I want to do. Wish me luck. Okay guys, I've just pulled up the picture and I'm gonna do the big star and then the two little ones. Okay, I'm gonna trace the star just a little bit on here so that I can kind of see what I'm gonna like color in. Okay. I like that shape. That looks pretty good. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the little tiny ones on the side as well. Okay, well I have kind of like a base there and that one needs to be put down a little bit more, but we have a base and now we're gonna start trying to fill in some stuff. So let's do the big black one first. Okay, we need to kind of fix it up a little bit and then I'll be back. So at this point my family was in and out and I was no longer able to do like talking because like I said in my last video, that's a bit weird. So right now I'm doing like the little stars and I didn't have any red, you know, eyeliner, so I had to use a pink one and they look pretty okay. And I'm showing you that I'm going to do the other one off camera. I got some red eyeshadow and I put that on the pink stars to make them red. Looks good. Okay, then I took my eyeliner and then I'm just kind of outlining them like how it is on JAKE WEBBER'S actual tattoo. And now I'm doing the other one off camera. So here they are. I really like these. I think I did a really good job on them. So now I'm doing a eyeliner with some black powder and just a different type of little liner that I saw. I want to try it out and it looked a little weird at first, but it came out kind of okay for the most part. I was a little bit scared at this point, but it came out pretty okay. So now I'm doing some white eyeliner, and I didn't really want to show y'all that because that's a little bit too much. And then just blending it out with a little bit of brown and all the different stuff. Then I did a little white inner corner liner, and this looked really, really nice. I really liked the touch that it did. I added a tiny little wing, and it really brought the whole look together. Then I used this little 𝐜𝐫𝐞𝐝 blush, and wow, is she so pretty. Then I did some mascara. That's just mascara, so I don't really know what else to say. Well, it's so nice, so pretty, wow. Now on this next clip, I am putting on some different rhinestones. I showed you all the ones that I put on. I even put some under my lip. I couldn't really find a picture of JAKE WEBBER'S snake bites on his actual Instagram, so I didn't put one up. But yeah, he has little snake bites, and I wanted to imitate them with the little gems. I hope that's not weird, but yeah, I thought it was cute. Now I'm doing a little lippy. So I'm taking a red lipstick, and then I'm lining my lips with that, and then I kind of blend it out. And then I take a kind of dark purpley lip liner and then line my lips, of course. And I kind of made this like little cool design down there. I kind of brought it down to the middle of my lips, and that really looked super duper cool. And I was like, should I keep this glossy or should I make it matte? And I'm really glad that I kept it matte because matte is the best. Now I'm using a black to actually finish outlining my lips, and I just love this lip. I love it so much, and I can't believe I let it stay matte because I'm usually like a gloss girl, but letting it stay matte was the best decision ever because it literally looked so good at the end. Okay, now I'm putting like a tiny little star in the middle of my top lip, and this touch was like just really cute, y'all. I don't know, I liked it. I'm gonna keep puckering my lips throughout this whole entirety of me showing this star. Okay, so then I blotted the star. Now to make it stay, I'm putting a little bit of powder on there. And I'm brushing it away to make sure it stays. Y'all, I ate an apple after doing my makeup and it still stayed there. Now I'm putting on some highlighter. I just wanted to do something simple and glittery, and I think this was very nice as well. I love glitter so much, and I think they're all my different looks that I upload. You guys can really tell that I like glitter a lot. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Doing this makeup was definitely hard. Doing the stars, a bunch of trial and error. It was a whole trial and error mess. But overall, I think the final look is really nice. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Imagine if Jake or Johnny was watching this video right now. That would be kind of weird. No, if they see this video, comment. Or like, tell me that you saw it. That would be kind of cool if they were to comment and say like, oh, nice look. I don't know. Okay, anyways, that's all. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any people who watch my videos and they want to comment anything, please do. The comments really give me motivation. Well, with all that said, please visit all my different social medias. They're all linked down below. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys on my next video. See you later. Guys, am I literally JAKE WEBBER? Okay.